You see this in my head, yo. You see this in my head will be like a small head, yo.
He gonna do great things.
Yes, so the difference between baby elephant and mother elephant is not time. Hey, they said that I am not qualified, but by grace I know I'm justified. My mistakes of the past rectified, and His blessings He has multiplied, and He's called me the apple of His eye. For in Him I am so satisfied. The God that ended the night that I cried. I will lift up my voice to amplify my head. You see this in my head, yo. My head will be like a small head, yo. He go do
Great things.
Shebi, you see this in my hand, yo. Hey, you see this in my hand will be like a small hand, yo. He go write
big pictures.
Shebi, you see this in my leg, yo. Hey, you see this in my leg will be like a small leg, he go go
great.
He can call you poor man today, no mind them all.
You go be rich man tomorrow.
Shake them, they see you as failure today, my brother.
You go be success tomorrow.
I be them, they call you single sister today. Hey.
You go be a grandmother tomorrow.
Them be they mock you as barren today. Hey.
You go be mother of nations tomorrow.
Even if you dey use all my legs today, God can change them. Show them they see you as conductor today.
You go get your own transport company tomorrow.
Oh yeah, oh, I said it go be oh. Na so it go be oh. Na so it go be for you oh. Na so it go be. Share you believe. Share you believe oh. If you believe, say I believe. Share you believe. Listen, my brother, no matter how long that problem don dey, I know one God wey be say He dey carry the poor from the dust, come bring am before kings. My God can bless anybody, hey. Make you believe, oh, cause He's able, He's faithful, He will come through for you. Just believe that He can and He will, and know He's not gonna fail. If it be like say, then don't close your face. Your finance self they fail. Your labor won't go in vain. God will go make a way, because Himself will say. You believe, you receive. Your tomorrow will be greater than today. It's your head, yo. Hey, see this in my head, yo. See this in my head will be like this small head.